Alright, well, good morning again. We are finally going to be doing some real port hardy diving today. We did see Steve's boat. He's over there somewhere. And the pace for the next 3 days actually is going to be 2 dives a day. So we get up in the early morning, we do 2 dives, and then we collapse for the night, basically. Our goal for the first dive, I know, is, I think for the next 2 days, it's going to be hitting Browning Wall, which is very time sensitive because of the way the tides are here. So a bit of a rush today because we got to get gear on the boat and get set up, but this should be the epic port hardy diving that I remember from way back in 2017. Alright everybody, we have reached our first dive site, which I was just filming for you. It's called Hussar Point. It's part of the Browning Pass, and the wall is actually right underneath us. It's not the island back there, the wall is actually beneath us under the boat right now. So I'll let you know what I think after we get out of it, honestly. See you after the dive. Alright guys, so first dive of the day done. I stupidly cut it myself a bit short. I could have gone for longer, but oh well. It was a good little dive. Lots of nudibranchs there. Orange peel was the orange one, and the lemons were the yellow one. Go figure. I saw 2 red Irish lords. They're the grumpy little fish. And then a rockfish I didn't know existed was that vermilion one, which is the red. If you don't know, it's red. And yeah, I think that's pretty much the cool stuff I saw. Some people, I think, found octopus, but I didn't. And maybe if I'd stayed down longer. But next time I'll be more sensible on dive 2, and we'll go for a bit longer. So, see what we get on that one. Alright, and that is our next dive site over there, and it's called 7 Tree. And, oh yeah, they actually counted, there's 7 trees. No, I'm joking. It's maybe at one time, but now as well, maybe more. But anyways, we're going in here. And looks good to me. I don't know about you guys. So I'll be logging this one for the app. I haven't mentioned it yet, but I've been developing an app called Scuba SEAsons. This area is really tough to get dive sites, so I'm satellite GPSing them. But yeah, so everything that me and maybe some other divers are seeing on these dives, I'm making into photos and adding to the app so you guys can see where and when we're seeing different sea creatures as we dive. So I hope you'll join us as we do that. I'll show you some screenshots of stuff later on in the trip. But for now, let's go see Seven Tree. Well, unfortunately, it turns out I've got a defective GoPro battery, so for poor old Seven Tree, I couldn't film anything, because went in and it's just dead. So I'll check that one out, and tomorrow when we're diving, I'll make sure I've got a fresh one that's working. I'll see if for the app, though, I'll see if any of the other divers are willing to put some photos in that would at least give you an idea. Basically, with that dive site, you go around the island a few times from the deep and sort of spiral up. And, you know, if I want to describe it, it's a lot like the first dive in terms of sea life that you'll see there, so not too bad. You got orange-filled nudibranchs. The only thing new was a basket star. They're like a wiry little starfish. And, like in the video I did last time I was here, the trick with those guys is give the middle of them a bit of a rub, and they're filter feeders, so they'll stretch out like that. When you rub them, and so you get a bit of a show with them. Anyways, guys, I think it is 2 dives a day, so we're done for the day, and we're mooring up with Steve right there. Actually, there he is. So I'll see you guys for tomorrow's dives. There will be 2, and I hope I won't find another defective battery, so you do get 2 of them this time. But thanks very much for watching, guys. Sorry about the burping. That's what happens when you get the gas, and I'll. Yeah, like I said, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.